So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to make passive income by selling other people's products. I'm gonna share that all with you coming up next. So welcome back to the video, my friends. You are new here. My name is Jay, and on this channel, I do everything from how-to videos and step-by-step guides, teach you exactly how to create and sell your own digital products online. And from time to time, I talk about how to create passive income streams, just like in this video. And so if you like content like this, consider subscribing to my channel. And at any time and you are getting value or encouragement in today's video, make sure you guys hit that like button because that helps this channel out a lot. Now let's jump in today's video. One of the best ways to make money is to make money passively. And usually when you hear somebody talk about passive income, they more so talk about how to create their own products. And I teach you exactly how to do that on this channel. But there are other ways to make passive income online. And one of the easiest ways to do that is by selling other people's products. And what I'm talking about today is affiliate marketing. Now, what really maximizes this form of making money is by building an audience. And I taught you in my other videos how to build an audience from scratch. But nonetheless, when you have that audience built up, it's really easy to make money passively because you are leaving a link to other people's products. Now, this can be beyond products. It can be also services that you use. And usually the things that we consume on a daily basis, they have affiliate programs. And so places like Best Buy and Amazon, and even services that I personally use like Canva and Etsy and Placeit, all of these businesses have affiliate programs. And if my followers click on that and purchase from that particular link, then I get a commission out of that transaction. So what I would encourage anybody is that if you really believe in that product or you really believe in that service, then think about communicating the value of that service to your followers. This is where affiliate marketing really makes a turn for a lot of people because you are expressing the value or you are displaying how valuable that product or service is. So if you're leaving affiliate links or you're sending affiliate links to your email list and you're not communicating the value of that product or service, then you're really not going to grow as an affiliate marketer. So one of the best ways to grow your passive income through affiliate marketing is by displaying the value of your product, doing a review about it, then giving that link to your follower that they can make their choice on their own after your review. Again, I would encourage anybody to make sure you are giving links to a product you really believe in or a service that you use on a regular basis. And on this channel, I do that with my Amazon affiliate links, with my Canva and my Etsy affiliate links, because again, I use these on a daily basis. And these things have been beneficial to me in my online business. So think about products and services you already use and check on their website to see if they have an affiliate program. But you'll be surprised that most of the things you use on a daily basis have high commissions, even some paying you over $10 for everyone that signs up. So it's really a numbers game, right? The more people you have following you and the more value you are able to give, then the more your subscribers or followers will be willing to buy that particular program or service you're talking about, because you talk about the value of that product or service and how that can help them solve their problem or, like me, grow your online income. And again, these services and products are things I use anyway, and I would be talking about them even if they didn't have an affiliate program because they are so valuable to my business. And so again, think about the products or services you use and see if they have an affiliate program. And once you sign up for that affiliate program, they will give you your own personal link that you can start leaving on your YouTube channels or give to your subscribers or your followers that they can click, and therefore you are able to get a kickback or a commission if someone purchased that particular product or service. So I would encourage anybody, don't try to fill your email list or your subscriber list with all these affiliate links and hoping to get rich off that. The main way of getting money online through affiliate marketing is by communicating honestly and sincerely to your followers and your subscribers. And when you are being real with your followers or your subscribers about that product or that service, then they are able to see the value of that product. And again, it goes back to value, because when you showcase that, then people know how they can apply that to their own business and their own journey with making money online. So I would encourage anyone, make sure you're not flooding your entire subscriber list or your email list with affiliate links. Again, you want to be true and honest about the program, the product, or the service you are a part of. And when you communicate honestly the value of that product, then your followers will be more willing to look into it if it helps them solve their problem. Now, some of these affiliate programs pay you every time someone makes a transaction for that particular service or product, but some of these affiliate programs actually give you recurring funds because their program or their service is reoccurring. And this is where your money can really grow monthly, because when someone is subscribed to a particular service and they are staying on that service for a long period of time, then every time that month rolls over, you get a commission because they stayed on that particular service. So if you build up an audience where you are talking about how a particular service or product helps you solve your problem on a day-to-day basis, or some form of entertainment or food you enjoy, and you leave a link down to your subscribers or your followers in your email list, then over time, right, that will grow for you. And there are multiple affiliate programs that you can be a part of that can pay you on a monthly recurring basis. So I taught you in my other video how to actually set up leaving affiliate links to products you really believe in and that you really enjoy. And so if you want to see that video, make sure you guys check out the link down below if you want to get started making money passively with affiliate marketing. So a major takeaway I can give anyone who is looking to build a passive income online through affiliate marketing is make sure you are promoting products that you really believe in and products that you actually use. I would also encourage you to create a video or some type of blog post about using that product, and make sure you are communicating the value so your followers and your subscribers know exactly what is in store for them if they go with the process of getting that product or going on the subscription to that service. And the last major tip I can give to you is make sure you are applying for affiliate programs that pay you on a monthly basis. This is a great way to build up passive income, just not one time, but passive income that can recur for you months and years down the road. Again, make sure you are communicating a product that you really believe in, and make sure you are building your audience and being honest with them about the product and service, but also make sure you are strategically building up your affiliate marketing programs that pay you out on a monthly basis. So as always, my friends, that is the end of today's video. If that was anyway helpful or encouraging, let me know by leaving a like on today's video. And if you want to go further and faster, then check out my other helpful links down below to help you start making passive income right now. If you want to see more content like this, I release new videos every week helping you learn how to create passive income online. And so if you like content like this, consider subscribing to my channel. But as always, my friends, I will see you in the next video.